Good morning, Year 4. Our spelling lesson today, we are starting with our spelling test. So I need you to pause the video and ask an adult or an older sibling to help you complete your spelling test, looking at your suffix words that end in I-O-N. Okay, so pause the video and complete your test. Okay, then well done, Year 4. So we're moving on to our spellings for this week, and we have the suffix "shin". Okay, so our words are expression, discussion, confession, permission, admission, impression, obsession, procession, omission, and concussion. So what do you notice about this week's spellings? Okay, so if you look at your root word, you may see that some of them end with the double S. Okay, so express ends with double S. But then we come up to words such as permission, which is permit, plus ION equals permission. Okay, so our root words either end in double S or with a T. Okay, and how does the ION suffix change the meaning of the root word? Okay, so if you express something, if you express a feeling, okay, you are showing it. So have an expression, putting the ION on the end, it makes it an act. It means you're doing it. So expression, discussion, okay, they are all things that you can do. Okay, so I want you now then to order your spellings in alphabetical order. So I know we're really struggling with this at school at the minute, using the alphabet and knowing how to search for our spellings in our dictionaries. So as a little bit of a warm up, can you put our spellings into alphabetical order? So pause the video and have a go. Okay then, so starting at the beginning, we would have admission first because it begins with A. Then we've got no B's, but we've got two C's. We've got concussion and we've got confession. Now we know that concussion would come first because they've both got C, O, N, but now concussion has a C and confession has an F. And C comes before F in the alphabet. So continuing on, we'd have discussion, and then we'd have expression, impression, obsession, omission, permission, and procession. So if you got this correct, give yourself a dojo and make sure you tell your teacher. So your final task, as we do every Monday in our spellings, is Dictionary Corner. So using an iPad, a tablet, or a dictionary, if you have one, that would be fantastic. You are looking for the meanings of your words. Remember that your word might not always be in the dictionary, but the root word might, okay? So that might give you an idea of what each word means, thinking about what the suffix ION does to the end of a word, okay? So your final task today, using a dictionary or iPad, finding the meanings of these words.